Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delta County in north-central Texas, Lamar County in north-central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Red River to near Commerce, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paris, Cooper, Blossom, Roxton, Cooper Lake, Pat Mays Lake, Lake Crook, Powder Lake, Sumner, Lake Gibbons, Big Creek Lake, Pattonville, Arthur City, Camp Maxey, Klondike, Cooper Lake State Park, Forest Hill, DePort, Pecan Gap, and Novice. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. These storms have a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado warning